This free, simple tool that you can find everywhere is the key to get your entries, stop loss, and your take profit. You don't need all these complex indicators that are never consistent. Stick with me and I will explain what this tool is, what you can do with it, and how you can use it. But before that, who am I? MV, and I've been trading for more than 4 years. And you can see the results of my skills that I've achieved in this 4 years on my YouTube channel. I show all my trades, like these series that I'm trading my funded account and posting all my trades right here every day. And in all my videos you can always see me using this tool to determine everything. Most of you might not use it just because it's so basic and simple and doesn't feel high-tech. But basics are always one of the most important parts of any skills. The tool I'm talking about is the Fibonacci, which you can find even in MetaTrader. It shows you your range, shows you where premium and discount is, and most importantly, it's one of the most important and basic tools in trading. And every trading strategies use it, just in a different way. I'm an ICT trader, but if you trade patterns or supply and demand or SMC or whatever, all strategies and all time frames use Fibonacci. So what can you do with it? Let's say you want to take a trade. Your entry, your take profit, your stop loss, all of them can be determined with this Fibonacci because it gives you levels that you can work with. So put a Fibonacci on your chart. Go to settings and make your fib levels like this with your own preferred colors. Now I want you to note this. The 50% is called the equilibrium. Anything above it is premium, and anything under it is discount. Now, pick a range that you are trading in, like from this high to this low. Don't overthink it because there are no wrong ranges, all of them relate to each other. Just pick the bigger one. Now you can put even more ranges into your range like this to get smaller ranges. And the same premium discount rule applies everywhere. You can see how it just lines up. Now if you have a bearish bias, you have some base levels of your premium. And other way around. Your target should always be approximately around the levels. For example, you pick this sell stop liquidity that's close to this Fibonacci level. Or as your entry, you can see the price reached high above in premium before expanding down. Now I want you to understand and remember, this is only a tool. It cannot determine your bias. It only gives you more data for your analysis and some levels. You can only note your range on the chart with this tool. So please don't risk money if you don't know how to trade. Only use it as a tool in your model that's been proven to be consistently profitable to sharpen your edge on the market. So now let me show you how you can use this tool for even more uses. To be honest, I don't even use it fully yet because as simple as it is, it's a very detailed concept. But here are some tips. Find the equilibrium of your fair value gap. Your wick and tails. Big news candles. So anywhere you put this, you can find your levels. Hope this video was valuable to you and added something to your skills as a trader. Subscribe to me to see how I trade using this tool every day.